Hello, my dear students. In this lecture, we are going to see one previous year GATE numerical. This question was asked in GATE 2017 for 1 mark in set 2. Now, this question is basically based on finding the heat transfer through the fin. Very simple question. Let us understand the question. The question is the heat loss from the fin is 6 watt. Now, this is the heat loss of the fin. The heat loss from the fin is given, means this is the actual heat transfer from the fin. Therefore, Q actual heat transfer from the fin is 6 watt, right? Therefore, again, the effectiveness and efficiency of the fin are 3 and 0.75 respectively. Now, here effectiveness of fin is given. Effectiveness of fin is nothing but heat transfer with fin divided by heat transfer without fin. Heat transfer with fin divided by heat transfer without fin is called effectiveness of heat this fin, which is 3, and efficiency of fin also given. Efficiency of fin is given 0.75, which is nothing but efficiency of fin is nothing but the actual heat transfer rate through the fin divided by maximum possible heat transfer through the fin. And my dear students, this maximum possible heat transfer is nothing but whenever the entire fin is subjected to same base wall temperature. We can say if entire fin surface is subjected to same base wall temperature, then that is T naught, then whatever may be the heat transfer through the fin is called maximum possible heat transfer through the fin. Means there is no internal conduction, there is only convection between the fin surface and the surrounding fluid. This is called maximum possible heat transfer through the fin, right? Now these are the two values given. Now let us understand the question. The heat loss in watt from the fin keeping the entire fin surface at the base temperature is, they are asking what is this Q maximum. Whenever the entire fin surface is kept at base wall temperature, then it is called the maximum heat transfer through the fin. Now my dear students, very simple question, one of the simplest question. Only tricky point is that you must understand this statement and what they are asking. Now efficiency of fin is given, actual heat transfer rate is given, they are asking maximum heat transfer rate whenever the fin is subjected to entire fin surface is subjected to base wall temperature. So here this effectiveness is given for confusion, so let us don't focus on this. Therefore we can say the Q maximum with the help of this formula, Q maximum will be equal to actual heat transfer divided by efficiency of fin, right, which is equal to 6 divided by 0.75, which is nothing but 8 watt, right? Therefore answer is 8 watt. They are asking in watt also, they are asking in watt only, therefore you have to type 8 watt, right? That is answer is 8. Thank you dear students. In next lecture we will see one more numerical on this topic which was asked in previous year GATE examination.